care if you can't boil water. I can teach you how to cook. Most of my recipes take 30 minutes or less at 350 degrees. Yes, in the oven. I will teach you how. Today, we are gonna learn how to make jalapeno poppers. No oil. We're not frying them. We're baking them using 3 ingredients, just 3 ingredients. I'm gonna show you step by step what I do, how I do it, and you're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Now these jalapeno poppers, are they fried? No. Are they just as delicious as the others? Yeah. Are they healthier than the others? I don't know, but they're good. So that's the important thing. So watch as I show you how to make baked jalapeno poppers.